Hi guys, today I thought I would read you a quick book about what makes the weather and then show you how to do an experiment where you can make your own raindrops. This book is called What Makes the Weather? Wake up, sleepyhead. What's the weather today? Look at the sky. The sky tells us the weather. These clouds mean rain. And these clouds mean it's a beautiful day. There are all kinds of weather, but where do they start? They start with the sun. The earth grows warm when the sun shines, and the sun gives us heat. The sun's heat can dry up a puddle, and the water seems to disappear. But the puddle has really become part of the air, and the water in the air becomes a cloud, and the cloud gets heavy with water, and then the water turns into raindrops. Sometimes the water in the clouds get very cold and it freezes, and then we have snow. There are all kinds of weather, and each day is different. Wake up, sleepyhead. What's the weather today? The rainbow. So what I was going to do was show you how you could do your own, make your own rain at home. And I just got a vase that has some clear liquid in it and some shaving cream and some food coloring, and I took these little sauce containers that I had and I put some drops of food coloring in each container with a little bit of water. And if you use less water, your color will be stronger, and if you use more water, your color will not be as strong. And then I have my vitamin dropper again. So I'm going to take my vase and I'm going to fill it about 3/4 of the way full of water. And then I'm going to put a shaving cream cloud on top. So I have my shaving cream cloud. And then I'm going to take whatever colors I want, and I'm going to get a little squirt and put it on my cloud. Oh, I already got blue. And then after a while, you'll start to see that your cloud gets heavy with all the colors that you put in it. And then it starts to rain and come down, just like when clouds in the sky get heavy with water and they let the raindrops fall. So that was my little experiment, and it's an experiment you can do at home. I hope that you enjoyed this little discussion about rain.